Cat paw balloon tutorial. Start by making a 4-finger double bubble. Make 4 more 2-finger single bubbles. Push the small bubble through the center. Then twist 4 2-finger wide single bubbles. Tuck the first 2 balloons in. Twist and secure the last 2 together. Wrapping the balloon neck around another balloon. Release excess gas and trim the balloon neck. Tie a secure knot. Twist a 2-finger double ear tie. Double ear twist. Confirm the length. Twist into a loop bubble. Adjust the shape. Insert the finished cat paw into the bubble loop. Twist a single bubble using all 10 fingers. Make another 2-finger double ear twist. Twist a single bubble. Wrap and secure it on the double ear knot. Release the excess air. Trim off the neck of the balloon. The cat paw balloon is all done.